Whether a vehicle is engineered for efficiency and performance on the road, or purpose-built to tackle tough terrain and obstacles off the road, there are three crucial measurements that will help shape its overall capability: the approach angle, departure angle, and ground clearance. Let's take a closer look at each one. First, the approach angle. Measured from the leading edge of where the front tire contacts the ground up to the lowest point at the front, this spec determines the steepest possible angle a vehicle can climb without hitting its front end. This also explains why some Toyota off-road grades adjust or remove aerodynamic features normally found beneath the front bumper, like a front air dam. Next, there's the departure angle. Think of it like the approach angle, just for the rear end instead. Measured from the leading edge of where the rear tire contacts the ground up to the lowest hanging point at the rear, this figure represents the maximum angle a vehicle can depart from without the rear making contact with terrain or obstacles. Finally, there's ground clearance. This is the measurement of distance between the ground and the lowest point of the vehicle. Unsurprisingly, this spec can play a big role in a vehicle's overall capability, as it determines the height of obstacles that it can get over without impacting the vehicle's underside. Now, to better understand how these angles work together in real time, let's look at a vehicle that has a fairly conventional ride height. It's clear that it's not exactly ideal for the trail. So, what happens if we give it a bit of a lift? Let's watch and find out. With this additional lift, the entry angle is increased, easily clearing the obstacle. And when we look back at the rear, we see the same happening with the departure angle. As you'd expect, this lift also increases the vehicle's overall ground clearance, which comes in handy when clearing obstructions or uneven surfaces on tougher terrain. And with that, we're ready to enjoy some added capability off-road. These three specs can have a big impact on overall capability. So the next time you're looking at a vehicle for off-road purposes, you'll know exactly what to look for. For more information, visit Toyota.com.